Hello, the subject is marketing management and the topic is factors influencing consumer behavior. There are various factors which are present in the society and in the individual consumer which affects his behavior. These factors play a major role in his decision making process and this affect and impact the consumer in a larger extent. These factors are classified as follows. They are psychological factors, social factors, cultural factors, personal factors, economic factors, environmental factors. These factors are very important which impact and affect the behavior of a consumer. We'll see in detail and depth about these factors one by one which affect the consumer behavior. The first factor which influences consumer behavior is psychological factor. Psychology of the consumer and his psychological needs play a major role here in impacting and influencing his behavior. There are four or to five concepts that build his psychology. They are first comes consumer needs and motivation. All buying decisions starts with need recognition. People always seek to satisfy their need. When need is not satisfied, it drives people to satisfy that need. Then the need becomes a motive. Thus, motive arrives from need and wants. The force that converts needs into motives is called motivation. And there is a theory which speaks of motivation and need described and put forth by Maslow. He speaks extensively at what stage what kind of need is focused and placed by an individual. Hence, consumer needs and motivation play a major role in psychological behavior of a consumer. The next concept is perception. It is the process of selecting, organizing, and interpreting information in order to give meaning to the world or environment we live in. The way the consumers display selective attention, distortion, or retention motivates marketers to design the product, package, promotional themes, etc. The marketers should understand the consumer perception and convert perception into a buying response, which is a toughest thing for the marketing department because the perception of each and every individual consumer is entirely different altogether. The next concept and psychological factor in influencing consumer behavior is learning. Learning is the process of acquiring knowledge which is all known to everyone. Generally, learning results in four ways: listening, reading, observing, and experiencing. The importance of learning theory for marketers is that they can create demand for a product by associating it with a strong drive, using motivating cues and providing positive reinforcement. All the process of marketing should help in finding the learning of an individual consumer and how that learning is affecting the behavior of consumer. The next concept in psychological factor is belief and attitude. A belief is a descriptive thought that a person holds about something which cannot be changed by a company. Such thoughts are based on learning, opinion, or faith. For example, a consumer believes that Maruti cars are less costly and fuel efficient, whereas attitude means a person's feelings towards a particular object or situation. How he displays his thought process becomes the attitude of an individual consumer. Hence, These many factors, these many concepts in psychologically psychological factors affect the consumer behavior in a wider way, which should be understood by the marketing and the marketers. The second factor in consumer behavior is that which affects the consumer behavior to a wider extent is social factor. The major social factors are as follows. First comes reference group. Consumer behavior is influenced by various groups within the society known as reference groups. We have several reference groups within whom an individual associates, such as friends, relatives, classmates, club membership, etc. In each group, there is an opinion leader whose style is adopted by others. Marketers often identify such opinion leaders and develop advertisements featuring them as endorsers. Usually, in the families, elders become the opinion leader, and it is based on their opinion that all the products are being bought and consumed in an individual family. Hence, this marketing department entirely focuses its production process and style to suit and match these opinion leaders altogether. The next concept in social factors is role and status. A person takes up many roles in different situations in his or her life. He can be a son, father, husband, employee, etc. Each role has a status. A person's role and status influence his general as well as buying behavior in the society. And these roles are to be respected and his status has to be identified to produce a product which matches his role and status in the society. Third, the important concept in social factors which is present all across the world is family. Family is one of the important factor influencing in the buying behavior of a consumer. Thus, the advantage for the company is it is not going to sell to an individual, but it is selling to a family in bulk, which has to be understood. And for this particular purpose, they should know the real taste and preferences of each families in that particular society, which influences their buying decisions and the behavior of consumer as a whole in a different manner. The next factor influencing consumer behavior is cultural factors. Culture determines and regulates our general behavior. The major cultural factors are as follows. Culture simply refers to values and beliefs in which one is born and brought up. It is a set of ideas, customs, values, art, and beliefs that are produced or shaped by a society and passed on from a generation to generation. Culture influences what we eat and where, how we relax and where we live, etc. All these cultural factors are to be studied and understood. This culture influences how a consumer lives, and this living can be a sign what can be produced to match their living need by the company. The second concept in cultural factor is subculture. It is based on religion, language, geographic region, nationality, age, etc. Subculture is a segment within a large culture that shares a set of beliefs, values, or activities that differ in certain respects from those of the main or overall culture. The food habits are different in different parts of India. So, society has culture and culture has subculture is what the company has to understand. They are different varieties of subculture within the culture which the company, if it fails to study only the culture excluding subculture, then company might have to face little bit problems in the process of marketing their goods. The next concept in cultural factors is social class, which is largely ignored by companies in their study process. The economy is divided into various social classes. A social class is a group of people with similar values, interests, and behavior within a society. Economically, consumers buy behavior and consumers' buying behavior is determined by the social class to which they belong rather than by their income alone. The social class is based on income, education, occupation, family, history, wealth, lifestyle, area of residence, and the kind of respect they have in that particular society is considered as social class, which to a larger extent affect the consumer behavior as a cultural factor. The next factor which influences consumer behavior is personal factors. Personal factors are unique to a particular person and it varies from individual person to person. These factors include demographic factors and are as follows. Primarily, these factors affect the consumer behavior. First being age. Need and wants are determined by age, which we should understand first. So, buying changes with age. Not only buying changes with age, taste for food, clothing, and recreation, etc., changes with age, and the company should know to produce what for what age. The second concept is stages in life cycle. People buy different goods during different life cycle stages. Life cycle of an individual refers to the different phases of his or her life. Hence, stages of life cycle is an important concept. The third is occupation and economic status. Occupation influences product choice, brand beliefs, etc. It determines income, buying power, and status of that particular group of people present in that society. The fourth concept is lifestyle. It indicates how people live, how they spend their time, how and when they buy, how and what they choose, and where they shop. It is the way people eat, drink, spend leisure time, work, and so on. And this has to be the case which influences the consumer. The next concept is personality. Personality refers to the unique psychological characteristics of an individual. Personality of consumers influence brand preference and choice of products. The personality styles followed by or displayed by the consumer says what brand preference they might choose and whether they are going to buy needed products or luxury products is displayed by personality characters. The next concept in the personal factors is self-image of that particular individual. Self-image implies what one thinks of himself or herself. It is the way one sees himself or herself or wishes to see himself or herself or wants to be seen by others. Self-concept is an important factor to marketers in planning advertising campaigns. Some individuals place themselves high and some individuals place themselves low and some individuals ignore their self-image. But the company has to understand the self-image and how they portray them, and thus all those products has to be positioned in such way that it suits all these personal factors in having a favorable consumer behavior towards their production and marketing process. The next factor influencing consumer behavior is economic factors. Economic factors play a major role in affecting the buying decision of the consumer. The various economic factors which determine consumer behavior are as follows. The following concepts include personal income. Gross income of a person is composed of disposable and discretionary income. When disposable income rises, the expenditure on various items will increase and vice versa. The individual family considers the next stage, whereas in this, personal income of an individual is considered a lot and which influences his buying behavior. The second concept in economic factor is family income. It is the aggregate income of all members of a family. The family income remaining after the expenditure on the basic needs of the family is made available for buying goods, durables, and luxuries. It is purely the family's buying is based on the family's income, and personal buying is based on the personal income, and sometimes it goes hand in hand. The third is income expectations, how the income is going to be fluctuated in future and what is the trend that the income is going to be affects a lot in influencing consumer behavior. Income expectations. If a person expects any increase in his income, he will buy durables on higher purchase, etc. If his future income is likely to decline, he will restrict his expenditure to bare necessities and needed products alone. The fourth concept is savings. When a person decides to save more, it is understood that he will spend less, and he will spend less on luxury and comforts, and he will spend more on the needed products and necessities of his life. Hence, he will have to save more. If he starts spending less on luxury and comfort products, the company might lose out sales on such kind of products, is what the behavior will show to the marketing department. Next, we have liquidity position. Liquidity position of individual, consumer, and family as a whole plays a major role here. If an individual has more liquid assets, he goes in for buying comfort and luxuries. If he does not have liquidity assets or liquidity position is very low, then his buying behavior and his behavior as a consumer is altogether different because he tends to buy very less amount of goods. And the next concept, which is an economic concept which influences the buyer to a larger extent in this modern era, is consumer credit. If consumer credit is available on liberal terms, expenditure on comfort and luxuries will increase. Why the consumer world is filled with so much of choiceful consumer goods is all because of one thing, that is availability of easy credit for buying consumer goods. If these consumer credit is less and meager in availability, and if they have too many conditions and if it is expensive, then the buying pattern of these consumers will change automatically. Hence, these many economic concepts affect consumers in influencing consumer behavior under the head economic factors. The next and the last factor which influences consumer behavior is environmental factors. The various environmental factors which determine consumer behavior are as follows, which are to be understood in the particular environment in which the market and in which the company is operating. The first being political situation. There are different types of political situations and political strategies and policies prevailing across the world. They instead monopolies consumers have to be satisfied with a limited range of products. But in market-oriented economy, the consumers have wide and variety of goods for choice and they can choose whatever they feel like and whatever they need like. Hence, political strategies and policies impact the consumer behavior. The next concept in environmental factor is legal forces. Consumers make purchases within the legal framework. All purchases dealings are carried out with legal limits which are to be understood, and the company has to design products of such type which are helping them to be away from illegal activities. And consumers tend automatically drawn towards those products which are legal in production and in manufacturing and in marketing process as well. The next concept in environmental factors is technological advancements. Technological advancements bring a wide range of changes in products or services and makes consumers go in for latest products. Consumers always tend to fall and they get attracted to the new and futuristic technologically oriented goods and services, and hence the company has to advance in its technological advancements and technological marketing strategies, be it with their product or process. And the next last concept in environmental factors are ethical consideration. Buying behavior is influenced by the sense of social morality and ethical consideration. All those production process, all those manufacturing process, all those marketing process should have ethical consideration in the society, and it has to look out for the well-being of each and everyone in the environment. Hence, ethical considerations are influencing consumers to a larger extent under the head environmental factors. Hence, we find that there are many forces acting on consumer behavior. A person's purchase choice is a result of the complex forces of cultural, social, personal, psychological factors, economical, and environmental factors. All, if understood well, the company can easily identify what is the factor which is influencing the consumer and redesign and reorient their marketing campaign to suit the individual consumers and thus reaping the benefit of success and profitability. Hence, we have studied factors influencing consumer behavior. Thanks for listening.